Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) director drive. Robert reportedly criticized Friday new coronavirus task force member drive. Scott, saying everything he says is false, allegedly made the remark during a phone conversation that was overheard by a network reporter, according to Robert, director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), wears a protective mask during a House Select Subcommittee on the Coronavirus Crisis hearing on July 31, 2020 in Washington, D.C. Photo by Aaron Scott Poole/Getty Images is reportedly at loggerheads with over the Hoover Institution senior fellows questioning of the need to wear face masks during the coronavirus pandemic and the susceptibility of young people to the disease. The CDC director confirmed to NBC that he was in fact speaking about, a neuroradiologist who has been a frequent guest on Fox News, where he has suggested that the pandemic joined the coronavirus task force in August, has publicly challenged statements about the coronavirus. During, NBC reporter Peter Alexander asked to respond to a comment from that more than 90% of the population remains susceptible to the virus. "I think that doctor misstated something there," responded. Testified to a Senate Appropriations Subcommittee this month that a face mask offers him better protection from COVID-19 than any potential vaccine, while saying the Trump administration is being overly optimistic about the availability of any vaccine. "If every one of us did it, this pandemic would be over in 8 to 12 weeks, claimed, according to NBC, with regard to the wearing of face masks. He also repeated his contention that the coronavirus is far from finished. Has been a review of lockdowns having been enforced throughout the coronavirus pandemic. Dr. Scott, member of the White House's Coronavirus Task Force, speaks at a news conference in the briefing room of the White House on September 23, 2020 in Washington, D.C. Photo by Joshua Roberts/Getty Images. In an emailed statement, a CDC spokesman told NBC News that the network is reporting one side of a private phone conversation by CDC Director Drive Robert that was overheard on a plane from Atlanta Hartsfield Airport. Doctor was having a private discussion regarding a number of points he has made publicly about COVID-19. That a second wave of COVID-19 this fall could be catastrophic for the health of Americans.